The President of the United States has an old habit of picking fights, whether it's the NATO, China, Elon Musk, or even his own party. But now, his latest target isn't a foreign adversary. It's a city from his own country, Los Angeles, in California, a state ruled by the opposition. In June 2025, LA erupted into chaos after Trump ordered immigration raids sparked massive protests. What started as local outrage quickly became a national flashpoint, escalating into a bitter war between federal force and state authority. It all began when ICE, or Immigration and Customs Enforcement, agents raided workplaces across LA targeting undocumented immigrants. Videos of federal agents storming buildings without warrants went viral. Fear turned into fury. The protests began. California, long a battleground over immigration policy, found itself in the middle of a full-blown crisis. Now we will explain you everything about these protests. Trump responded with force by sending 2,000 federal troops, including National Guard and US Marines, into California without the governor's consent. Governor Gavin Newsom denounced the move, saying, "These are acts of a dictator, not a president." He accused Trump of staging political theater, not public safety. Trump has repeatedly targeted California, mocking its leadership, trashing its climate policies, and now undermining its constitutional rights. But California is no ordinary state. It's an economic engine with a $4.1 trillion GDP, larger than the economies of Japan, UK, France, and Canada. Now that powerhouse is in chaos. Protests that began peacefully spiraled into urban conflict. Federal buildings were stormed. Molotov cocktails, fireworks, and rocks flew at police. Police responded with tear gas, rubber bullets, and mass arrests. An Australian journalist was shot live on air, and the US flag was burned into streets. Over 200 protesters were arrested, dozens faced federal charges, and the destruction ran deep. What happened in LA didn't stay in LA. From New York to Seattle, from Atlanta to Denver, Americans poured into the streets. Activist groups like Union del Barrio and Operation Healthy Hearts supplied gear and support to demonstrators. Even Mexico expressed concern over the violence. This isn't just about immigration, it's about a president turning the military inward, ignoring governors, and treating his own citizens like the enemy. And here's the irony. This is the same Donald Trump who once claimed he mediated peace between India and Pakistan, and today he can't even manage peace in Los Angeles. While he boasts of brokering global harmony, back home he has left cities burning, governors furious, and rights under attack. The 2025 LA protests have exposed a deeper truth. Trump's leadership thrives on chaos, but America may no longer be able to afford it. Is this strength or self-destruction? Only time and people will decide.